I made dinner for Rachel tonight. I made her something really special. I used 1 jar of Classico Four cheese Alfredo. I got a package of frozen chicken here. It's just I don't know what it is, but it's chicken. So I cooked one of them, and then I boiled up almost 4 cups of egg noodles. And after I had my chicken all done, I diced it and shredded it kinda. So then I finished off in here. Check that out, everybody. Combine those egg noodles with chicken and with the Alfredo and just a little bit of salt and pepper. And this is gonna be some good eats right here, y'all. I'm gonna put some on the plate here. Check it out. So there is, everybody. Check that out. Oh yeah, delicious goodness here. It's only on the stuttering camera, of course. And enjoy, everybody. Thanks for watching. This is just a quick little video. We'll see y'all next time. Peace. Bye bye.